When it comes to uploading courses on Udemy, most new course creators think the longer your course, the more enrollment you are going to get. Could that assumption be true? Should you really believe that? Let's take a look at these courses to see if we should agree with it or we should think otherwise. For example, this course is 8 hours 29 minutes long. This one here is 5 hours 55 minutes long. And this one here is 61 hour 44 minutes long. This is more than a 2 days course. This one here is 22 hours 19 minutes long. This one here is 6 hours 49 minutes long. And this one is 4 hours 37 minutes long. So, should you agree with that? Or you think there is more to it? Let's continue. Now, your course does not need to be long. The length of your course does not have any effect on enrollment. Don't believe those myths that you hear about enrollment, that the longer course gets more enrollment. That is very wrong. The length of your course does not have any effect on getting students to enroll in your course. Not everyone love longer courses. Some people just want a course they can start and finish in 3 to 5 days or even less. What matters is the quality of your course and the problem it solves. The bigger problem it solves, the more enrollment you are going to get. Let me show you my course which has done well. That is a short course. Now you see this course? This is my course, Data Analyst Portfolio Creation. This is my name here, Joseph Okon. And if you check the search, I wrote Data Analyst Portfolio Creation. Now, this course is targeted to data analysts who don't know how to come up with a portfolio to showcase their project. Now, let's first of all check the search results before I go further. If you look at this course is targeted towards data analysts and targeted towards how to create a portfolio as a data analyst. Now, ordinarily, if Udemy want to really give the result using the keyword data analyst portfolio creation, this is the only course that will show up. Now, the reason we have so many courses here is because of the keyword data analyst. If you look at the course title, no one has anything to do with portfolio creation. This one is the data analyst course, complete data analyst bootcamp. You can see this one here. No one has anything to do with portfolio creation. None of the course that showed up in this result has anything to do with portfolio creation. You can see the only course that has anything to do with portfolio creation is my course, which said it here. Learn how to create a portfolio as a data analyst to showcase your project. And if you take a look closer, you can see here 41 total minutes. That is the length of my course, and I only have 5 lectures here, unlike others that have 77 lectures, which is this one here. And this one has 373 lectures because it is 61 hours and 44 minutes long. But my course here is just 41 total minutes, which is less than 1 hour. And I only have 5 lectures. Let's check for that to see the number of enrollment. This one you see here is the number of reviews. Let's click on it to see the number of enrollment. So here we have it. This course was uploaded April 2023, which means it is not even up to a year right now. It was uploaded April 2023. As at the time of recording this video, it is not up to a year. Next month we make it 1 year. And so far I already have 313 students enrolled in this course, and we have 84 rating. And the rating for this course is 4.4, which is great. You can see, let me scroll down so that you can see other details about the course. Now look at it. I only have 4 lectures, 40-minute total length. This one is free. Look at this. This is 4 lectures because this course is very specific to a targeted audience, which is data analyst, and it covers everything that has to do with portfolio creation. So I do not need to start going outside the main goal. That's why I said what matters is the quality of the course and the problem it solves. The bigger the problem it solves, the more enrollment you are going to get. Now, there was a time this course had the bestseller tag for more than a month. And you know, when a course has the bestseller, it means it is selling very highly and the demand is very high. Okay, so now let's check how much I have generated so far from this course. Now here is the record. Here is how much I have generated so far from this course. This is 12 months, which is not up to a year. And this month I have generated $19.44, while in total I have generated $359.01. So let's check out what I normally generate every month. You can see this is April, where this course was uploaded, and this is May. Revenue was less than $1. Then this one is $10. Then we move to $37 in July. In August, 33. In September, it went up to as far as $67. Then we have $79 in October, then 69. Then it went down. Okay, we have December here, $34. Then in January, $3. We have $3. And right now it is at $19.44. So you can see that the length of your course does not really affect the enrollment. Irrespective of the low sales this course must have generated, the fact that it is not up to 1 hour and people still got to enroll in the course means that the length of your course does not affect enrollment rates. Hope you found value in this video. If you did, please hit the like button as it means a lot to me. I'm very sure right now you have been convinced that the length of your course does not really affect how much you are going to make and the enrollment you are going to get in that course. Make sure you are subscribed to this channel so you don't miss out on my next video. See you in my next video.